Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek where we dive deep into the tool that can help you refine your trading approach. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the Explosive Ichimoku Renko trading strategy, a unique method that combines precision with clarity to help you swing trade stocks like a pro. So stay tuned as we break down the concept and guide you step by step on how to implement this strategy effectively. We start by mastering the Ichimoku Renko fusion. Now, the Ichimoku Renko fusion combines two powerful tools that enhances your trading precision. The first one would be our Renko chart based on price movement rather than time, often gives a clearer view of trend by eliminating market noise. And this is the Renko chart. When you can apply your Renko chart, this is the first step that you will need to mastering your Ichimoku Renko fusion. Now, this chart usually represents bricks of fixed sizes, typically 100 points, to represent price changes. When price moves up and down by the brick size, a new brick is formed, providing a clean and easy to read representation of price. As you can see, when price moves up, you can see a new brick will be formed. As price moves up, a new brick is formed. When price moves down, you see a new brick is formed as well. The Ichimoku Cloud is the next indicator that you will need to add to your screen. And this Ichimoku Cloud, this is the indicator here. You just need to go to your indicators and type your Ichimoku. And this is the indicator we are adding to our screen, Ichimoku Cloud. It is developed by Husada. It adds depth to your analysis by incorporating multiple components. The two key elements we are going to focus on are the Kumo cloud and the Chinko span. The Kumo cloud acts as dynamic support and resistance zones. Act as dynamic support and resistance zones. This is the support and these are the resistance zone. That's what they act like on the chart. It's plotted 26 period ahead, giving you a forward-looking perspective of potential price levels, while the Chinko span or the lagging span is plotted. It plots this current closing price 26 periods back. This unique perspective allows you to compare current price action with historical levels, helping confirm trends and identifying potential reversals. By combining the Renko chart with the Ichimoku cloud, you create a synergy that amplifies trend identification and provides clear entries and exit signals. The Renko bricks cut through the noise, while the Ichimoku components offer additional layers of confirmation and future price projection. As you can see, the way price is easy to tell the direction at which it is going. This vision will allow you to focus on significant price movement while still benefiting from straightforward looking and trending confirming aspects of the Ichimoku cloud. Now, how do we apply the explosive Ichimoku Renko trading strategy? This strategy combines Renko charts and Ichimoku cloud to create a structured approach for swing trading. We start by setting up your Renko chart, and as we have set it up on the screen, if you don't know how to set it, you go to your chart, you remove your chart from Japanese candlestick and you put your Renko chart. And this is our Renko chart. This will eliminate market noise, allowing you to focus on meaningful price movement. Now, the Ichimoku cloud will serve as your trend indicator, and this is your Ichimoku cloud. You can see it has is being appeared on the screen. This is your Ichimoku Cloud. It will help us serve as trend indicator and dynamic support and resistance zone. For a valid buy setup, you need to ensure three criteria and that you ensure that the three criteria are met. The first criteria is that price must be above the Ichimoku Cloud. When you want to take a buy trade, it must be above this cloud. Once price is above the cloud, remember your Renko chart has to be above the cloud. This will help us to understand that we can take buy signals. As you can see, at this point, the price moved in the upper direction. You can see it was above the cloud. This is the cloud here. This is for a proper buy setup. This is the first criteria. The second criteria would be the Renko bricks must turn green. So you'd have to look for only buy trades when you see Renko charts are green. Once the Renko charts are green, you'll be looking for your buying opportunities. Yes, look for a better example. At this area, you can see when it was above the cloud, you can see our Renko charts are green. Then the last one would be the lagging span must be above the cloud, and you can see the lagging span at this line, and you can see they are above the cloud. This is for a buy setup. Now for a sell setup, the reverse is the case. You look for the opposite conditions. Price must be below the Ichimoku Cloud, and as you can see at this area, price is below the Ichimoku Cloud. That will be the first. The second criteria will be that you would have to see red Renko bricks forming, and you can see the red Renko bricks forming as this red Renko bricks forming. And the last criteria would be the lagging span is positioned below the cloud, and as you can see the lagging span is positioned below the cloud. So these are the criterias for a sell setup. Avoid trading when price is inside the Kumo cloud. So once you notice price is within the inside the Kumo cloud, you avoid trading because this will signify that we are in a sideways or a potential range bound market with uncertainty. So only act when price breaks clearly above or below the cloud. Like you can see, price is clearly above the cloud or where price is clearly below the cloud. This strategy relies on confluence, do not forget, multiple elements aligning to confirm your idea and your bias. So by combining the Renko clarity with your Ichimoku forward-looking indicators, you can identify high quality setup while minimizing noise and false signals. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.